Namaste to all dear students and warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to petty cash book. Okay, some students were asking about petty cash book, so I thought it would be better to prepare a small video relating to petty cash book, how to prepare petty cash book. For inter students it will come as a short question, but for degree students he is giving this for the long question also for 15 marks. So if your luck is there you will get it for 15 marks, but number of transactions may be more. And there are two methods for preparation of petty cash book. One is normal petty cash book, another one is impress system of petty cash book. This is normal petty cash book. How to deal under impress system we will discuss in the next video. Okay, in this we are going to discuss normal petty cash book only. So here is some information given, so let us see what is. The following transaction took place during the week ended 30th May 2018. How you record them in petty cash book, which was maintained with weekly float. Okay, every week they'll give some money, and uh, okay, so weekly float of rupees 3000. So beginning of the week you have received 3000 rupees from cashier, head cashier. So petty cashier has taken 3000 rupees, and he is having following expenses. On 23rd May, postage he has spent for 400. Casual labor means here wages, daily labor, so that will be considered under wages. So one, next, taxi hire charges, this comes under traveling. Okay, expenses or conveyance you can say. uh, Next, we are having labor 500, 600 taxi, and writing pads and registers, this is stationery expenditure, so printing and stationery we will consider 800 rupees. Next, cartage is there 200, that is also expenditure, transportation expenditure, cartage. Bus fare you can consider it as conveyance. Okay, bus fare we can consider it as conveyance. Okay, so these are the 1 week expenses. Okay, by the petty cashier. While preparing petty cash book, it is similar to your other cash book. Here in petty cash book, I'll show you pro forma. So in petty cash book, see in petty cash book what happens, a debit side, credit side will be there, but a particulars column only we will consider one, and date column one, and cash book folio number. Debit side you will write amount in receipts column. Okay, credit side all your payments will be. For each type of expenditure or category of expenditure, one uh, account will be prepared. So postage, okay, wages, conveyance, traveling expenses, stationery one. So for each expenses one column we will prepare, so that how much expenditure is incurred relating to such each expenditure we will know. So for your pocket money also you can prepare petty cash book, so that you can analyze how much amount you are spending for each thing during a month or uh, week. So first, 2018 debit side 3000 rupees to cash account, because on 23rd you have received 3000 from head cashier. That 3000 expenses you are going to incur, so on the basis of that you have taken 3000. Okay, next on 23rd itself you have paid postage 400, so total column you will write 400, and in postage column also you will write 400. Next, by casual labor 24th. Okay, on 24th casual labor 500 rupees in total column as well as in wages column. Next on 24th itself, taxi hire is there. By taxi hire, how much? 600 in total column and 600 in conveyance or traveling, you can say. Next by stationery on 26th, by stationery, okay, you have purchased some writing pads and registers, so you have spent 800. In total column you will write 800 as well as in each expenditure column. Next 27, by cartage is 200. Okay, so I will take it to the cartage column, last column here. Next bus fare also is your conveyance itself, so by bus fare 300 I will write in total as well as in conveyance column. So after doing this we will do the total. So credit side, okay, credit side total is 2800. Okay, postage total is 400, wages total 500, conveyance total 900, 600 plus 300, and stationery 800, cartage 200. Like each expenditure total we did and total also we did. Okay, from debit side total you are having 3000, credit side total is 2800. So by balance on 30 May month na, you can consider 31st also. You can take 31st also if you want, at the last day of the month. In May month 31st also will be there. So 31st May, by balance carried down 200 rupees. 3000 minus 2800, balance carried down. So total I will take 3000. This is how you need to do about petty cash book. Okay, hope you have understood. For each expenses one column credit side will be there, but debit side only one receipts. Okay, particulars column only one will be there. In this only you will write to and by. If cash folio number is there, that number we will take, but here in this case those numbers have not been mentioned. So this is the format of petty cash book. Hope you have understood well. So like, share and subscribe to the channel, don't forget it. And lastly, सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. अच्छा, इसी में मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इम्प्रेस सिस्टम के बारे में बता देता हूँ. सपोज this petty cash is being maintained under impress system. Same question, under impress system. Okay, impress is of 3000 rupees every year or every month or every week, whatever may be the. So similarly we will do, okay, as we did till here. Okay, as we did now, same thing we will do. Okay, same thing we will do, but what is the difference here means, this 3000 is impress every week, okay, or every time when it is closed, whatever amount spent will be reimbursed. Whatever amount spent will be reimbursed in the next period. So your total should be at the beginning of the week should be same 3000 rupees for the next week. So here in this week you have spent 2800, balance you are having 200. So when you do for the next month, April month, okay, when you do for the next month, April month, what happens in the April month, what you will do in the debit side, I am telling, in the debit side what happens in the April month, to balance brought down, we will take opening balance 200. How much? 200. Okay, and we need impress total how much, 3000 na at the beginning. So 200 is the balance we are having. तो कैशियर आपको कितने पैसे देते, टू कैश अकाउंट how much spent in the last week, 2800. That amount will be reimbursed. So total 200 plus 2800, your opening balance will be again 3000 for the next week. This small change will be there in the impress system. So when you are doing at the end of the month, okay, by 31st May balance carried down 200. Next immediately 1st April, okay, two balance brought down, you will write 200. And 1st April itself, what happens, to cash account 2800 from head cashier you will receive. So these additional things you need to do when it is an impress system. So whatever impress amount they are saying, that should be there. Okay, whatever impress amount they mentioned in the question, that should be there. That's it. This is about impress system also I have covered. So without wasting further more time, I would like to tell you all, सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. And like the video, because it is general tendency of students that the video which has likes will be better than the other. So that is why I am telling you to like. That's it. Bye. Jai Hind.